Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing tow hitch, backup camera with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front with a gripped running board on each side, side view camera, blind spot detection, got spotlights and turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front we got that black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space. We have floor mats, carpet interior, you do get cup holders and storage, rear vents with some outlets for charging, and a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop alert lights with spotlights and parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 30 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our leather-wrapped gear shift with plenty of storage. We have outlets, cup holders, and your center console with even more storage underneath. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate. You got some outlets on the side here as well with upper and lower storage on the dash. And looking up here, we do have a nice powered rear window opening, which is pretty nice. We have our park sensing that you can turn on or off, hazards traction, 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. And looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB52373, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.